Welcome to the Culture Hustle. I'm Mr. Bouquet, and on this channel, we aim to build a community of motivated and inspired entrepreneurs looking to grow their business to multiple streams of income. Today's video is going to be all about establishing a relationship, right? Establishing a relationship with American Express. That was one of the first questions I was asked as a new business owner, from a new business owner. One of the first questions they had is, how did you get into American Express? So here's the deal. Start off and get into it right away. Again, please like and subscribe. This is the information I have for you today. First way you want to do, the first step in establishing that relationship with American Express is to, of course, try to get into the ecosystem. One of the quickest ways from experience and things that I've learned is basically you just want to have as much information stored with American Express's database. That can start off as easy as getting a prepaid serve card. You have the option, if you log on to American Express, it'll pop up there. If you go down to the bottom, check out their serve card. That's an easy option. It's one of their prepaid options to get into American Express. There's some other alternatives also that don't require that you have great credit, that don't require that you put down large sums of money, and that don't require any kind of monthly fees. Again, the second step that I took in order to establish that relationship was opening a business checking account with them. I did go into a little bit more detail in one of the other videos about American Express as far as how that process went. But again, they do offer that to you. One of the key insights there is that you have zero fees monthly. You don't have to worry about that. And you also don't have to worry about putting a lot of money into that bank account. Again, go back and check that out. See if it's something there that interests you. But that was step number 2 that I took. Step number 3, after doing our deposits the way that we talked about in the other video, I was able, after 6 months of being persistent, respecting the process, getting some of my credit in order, making sure that I was in a good space and place there, I was able to start receiving offers in the mail directly from them. Pre-approval offers for business credit cards through American Express. First, it started off on the personal side. They started sending me that information. Again, check out all their products on the personal side also. Perfect time for me to state, I am not a financial advisor. So do your research. That's always recommended with this channel. One of the things that we try to do is do the hustle before you do it, give you our honest opinion, and have you go from there. We don't want to leave out any details. Again, if somebody's out there and they have a better bank account that they can go with as far as business is concerned, for our entrepreneurs that's looking to hustle, looking to get into that American Express ecosystem, or even another great bank, let me know. Comment, like, and subscribe so we can all be on the same page and make sure we build a community of like-minded individuals that are concerned about getting the information out. The end. That's how I got it done. Just that simple. Again, if this information was value to you, please like and subscribe. I thank you for your time. And keep it quick as always. Until next time.